for perfect edge. First ball. First possession, perfect edge. Jesse, pull-up jumper. On the way, it's good. First score for perfect edge, Jesse. Zamora, Bob, and Ildeso. Boy, sa loob, wala. Dead ball. Jesse, tumira ulit. Wala. Rebound, Gonzalez.
Foul na naman to sa bata.
Mr. Pascal. Del Rosario. Substitution. Agurin in.
Pero ayaw mo lang ito nakita si Del Rosario. Si ako, naglalaro. Lagi ba?
Aldeso, drop pass to Agurin de la Sai Zamora. Short. Rebound, Ares. Zamora, three.
Ay, mali. Hindi nga gagawin ko, hindi lang ako mag-ingay. Umapaos ako eh. Bibiyok eh. Mahirapan ako minum mamaya.
Del Rosario.
Dito lang, parang PBA lang.
Ten seconds.
Asli ba? Ang over pa.
Harold Del Rosario.
Tama score ko, pre. 6-5 ako, tama. Lahat kay Harold. Lahat kay Harold. Oh, 6 points.
Foul number 14.
Gonzalez, first.
Helby Gonzalez, first personal foul, first team foul. Two shots. Number 10, Mil Zamora. First shot is good.
Salamat, ah. Huwag niyong ma-upload yung video namin, ah. Bakit? Nakakaya ba? Ano may stats yun? Ano may stats? Tumatak to ba? Uy!
Jesse Moore. Foul number 33, Pedro Panes.
First.
First personal foul, first team foul. Ah, sorry, second team foul.
Ang bobakso, takala siguro naman siya. Hindi pa nakaka-out ang bola si Takaeza. Number 6, first.
Foul number 6, Jesse Go. First personal foul, first team foul. Substitution,
Oh, dyan.
Peter out, Ronson in.
Ronson!
May nag-access daw ng office na ng OTP. Hindi naman ako kasi may sarili ng office. Bye nga, kuya.
Ubos. Na-excite ka sa laro ng kanina eh.
Kumain na.
Na ano, may spot na daw. Tumitililig eh.
Wow, for three.
Go, Bob!
Alam ko kompleto pa kaya, Robin Bison. Robin Bison.
Robin. The Bob.
Si Po, yan ang pangalan mo?
Anthony.
Lovely.
Ha? Paul Anthony.
Paul Anthony Ponce.
Kuya boy, parang malaman.
Yan talaga pag lumaki sa gilid.
Foul number 6, Boy Ponce.
First.
First personal foul,
Third team foul.
13 foul. Nine seconds. 4 seconds. Foul number 14, Alvin Gonzalez. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 shots. Neil Zamora.
Pagod din yung mga yan sa
Warning pa, paano na sila oh? Takahira, drive lang ng drive.
Pag dumating si Mix, kaya na.
Mga siya bro, no? Bagong salsal! Hinihintay ko kumapos eh. Wala.
Oh, Anthony Ponce. Foul number 24, Carlito Agurin. First personal foul, second team foul.
Wala, walang pause si Bob.
Walang Paul si Mr. First Quarter.
Oh, sorry.
Penalty.
Ronson.
Foul number 7, Ronson Makalintal. First personal foul, penalty. 2 shots, number 10, Neil Zamora.
Ang ending, wala nag-open. Gamit daw yung look account.
Wala.
Carlito Agurin.
Nakaubo.
Tatak.
Harold Del Rosario.
Ay, may GBL no. Hindi may GBL eh. Hindi ganun.
Bob, wala kang pa-foul.
Puta, ay nasa subaybayan.
8 seconds.
Gagamitin na.
Jeffrey Bacarreza. Robin Biza. Foul number 14, Kobe Gonzalez, third personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots number 6, Jesse
Wala ka pang
Moore.
foul. Wala ka pang foul.
Napunta kay Gonzales.
Pasok.
Stewart, the first shot, is it good?
Direct.
Thank you.
And the first quarter official score 2013, 7-point lead by Perfect Edge.
How many bottles you got? How many bottles you have?
Just this one.
It's just a second game and you already halfway there.
Yeah, I'll just go to the toilet.
To refill.
Don't take the photo.
You drink, take it out, and drink it again. It's just a cycle.
Si Migs. Inubos mo na. Tatlo agad. Walang bola yung pangalawa eh. Yung blanca mo?
Yung blanca sa likod.
Second quarter. Blue ball. Yep.
Kasi hindi ka makita doon. Kahit bigyan kita ng picture.
Sakit sa sana. Nice! Bagong gising si boss dyan. Bagong gising.
Out of bounds. Perfect Edge ball. Out of bounds, single. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds.
Hey, perfect edge!
Boy!
Hang on it. Boy, kalma, boy. Hinga. Boy, breathe. Breathe, boy, breathe. Boy, breathe, heavy breathe. All good. All good. Let's go. The time is ticking. Hey, perfect edge ball. Neil Zamora, 3.
Paano mo yung mga tahimik na mas mamagaling?
Madalapit yung pagka bumato. Mabait no, pero pagka ginaan.
Oh, Anthony Ponce. Neil Zamora, 3. Ronson Makalintal. Jesse Moore.
Hindi, ganyan talaga yung nagawa ko yan.
Out of bounds. Perfect edge. Time out. Perfect edge. Official score 28-17. 11-point lead by Perfect Edge. This song is brought to you by Salfield.
Wala pa si Carol?
Ewan ko dun. Single nga ako.
Ha?
Single ako.
Single ka na?
Interview ako. Papagupit ako kay Mate. May interview ako Wednesday.
Interview? Bago trabaho?
Hindi, yung boss ko kasi, lumipat ng trabaho.
Ah, lumipat? Nalipat ka rin?
Lumipat din ako.
Foul number 33, Peter Panes.
Second.
Second personal foul, first team foul. Two shots, number 6, Justin Young.
Picture ko, uy.
Tiroso, rebound ha?
Geronson, box out! Ay!
Which is Tiroso eh.
Foul. Ito na! Start na!
Foul number 99, Robin Dizon. First personal foul, first team foul.
Start na!
Binag.
Sakal ba? Sayang.
Harold Del Rosario.
Hindi labas ko dyan.
Ryan Eldeso for three.
Limang 3 points na sila.
Ito na si Bacarese.
Jeffrey Bacareza, three.
Nabate.
Official score 32-22. 10 point lead by Robin Dizon.
Bawian mo ba? Bawian mo ba?
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Paul Anthony Ponce.
Second.
Substitution ref. Foul number 24. Jella Gurin, second personal foul. Second team foul.
Sige pare. Next season pare ah.
Sige pa. Ingat, ingat.
Jessico for three.
Grabe, nag-iinit sila.
Ano kasi, semis na eh. Regular season, di ba? Ano lang sila?
Medics na, medics. Ano pangalan ni Mitch sa
Miguel.
Miguel?
Miguel Fernando.
Paul Anthony Ponce.
Sino yung sarap lang?
Ha?
Pamilya sarap, sige.
Ilang kamila? Wala.
Carlito Agorin Jr. Ten seconds. 4 seconds. Foul number 10, Neil Zamora. First personal foul, 13th foul. Foul number 99, Robin Gison. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Two shots, number 8, Harold Del Rosario.
Shot clock is off.
Foul number 8, Harold Del Rosario.
Wala pa.
First,
First pa lang.
Fourth pa lang, apat pa lang.
Hindi. Sila yun.
first team foul, second team foul pang ilan?
Second team pa lang yun.
Ilan na si Harold?
Isa pa lang.
First personal foul number 8, Harold Del Rosario.
29, 37.
And the first half official score 27-29. 8.3 by Perfect Edge.
Ano bang ano nila?
Oh, Anthony Ponce.
Si Alan Ponce dumatay.
Ryan Ildezo, 3.
Lah, namatay.
40 seconds. Jesse Ngong. Foul number 6, Jesse. Second personal foul, first team foul. And seconds. Miguel Fernando.
May lakad si Jason. Kaya daw siya ng bayaw niya.
Bayaw.
Next week na lang daw.
Next week, kaya Holy Week.
Yan na nga.
10 seconds.
Kasi Jason yan?
Kaya ni Bayaw. Kaya ni Bayaw.
10 seconds. Carlos, perfect edge ball. Sabi to si ref. Sub ka kaya yan? Harold, pasok.
Sagad po, sagad. Sagad.
Neil Zamora to read.
Grabe, bordering ah. Kasi nung June pala, no?
Oo nga, no?
Nung June, wala.
Foul number 24, Miguel Fernando. First personal foul, first team foul. Harold Del Rosario. Foul number 6, Jesse Ngong. Third personal foul, second team foul. Official score 47-36. 9-point lead by Perfect Edge Master.
Second.
Substitution. Foul number 10, Zamora. Second personal foul, third team foul.
Ngayon na?
Pagsunod.
Ha?
Pagsunod yung pangalawa.
Pag yung pangalawa, pag nashoot yung pangalawa. Paul ka, Stewart.
Time out, Stewart!
Timeout. Perfect Edge.
Shoot ka doon.
Doon mo dadalhin niyo, bakit dadalhin niyo?
Official score 45-36.
37, pre.
Ay, sorry. 45-37. 8-point lead by Perfect Edge.
Bak, pasok ka na? Foul ka na ulit.
Ubusin na yan. Ubusin.
Busin mo na pasok, Bob.
Back to the ball game.
Si Benta.
Apat.
Foul number 14, Delvin Gonzalez. Warning for graduate. Substitution ref. Seconds. Foul number
Ronson.
7, Ronson Makalitaw. Second personal foul, second team foul. Baseline limba.
Top lang, 14. Taas lang, Nick, taas lang. Nice kick. Basta, Nick. Go.
Harold Del Rosario.
dapat sugod.
English dapat, Bob. English.
Bob, English!
Carlito Agurin Jr. Paul Anthony Ponce. Official score 47-41. 6-1 lead by Perfect Edge. Foul number 4, Ryan Eldezo. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 shots, number 6 for Anthony Ponce.
Bob!
And at the third quarter, official score 47-43.
Amen!
4-point lead by Perfect Edge.
Amen. Call it foul. English.
Hey,
I was telling
Holding,
you.
holding.
You should tell us in English.
yes, that would be easier.
Out of bounds, Rico. Foul number 8,
Second.
Harold?
Second.
Harold Del Rosario. Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots, number 13, Alan Olsen. One more.
Jesse pa makaka-rebound yan. Si Jesse makaka-rebound.
One more. Wait for the ball to hit the rim.
Oh, lumapit na naman siya. Hindi na tinawagan.
Foul number 13, Alan Ponce. First personal foul, first team foul.
14.
14 to shoot, 14 seconds. Jesse Go. Harold Del Rosario, 3.
Apat na yan, si Coach, ha? Apat na yan, kuya. Apat na.
Morning.
Sino?
Jesse.
Foul number 6, Jesse Ngong. Warning for graduate.
Dalawa na foul nila, pre, ah.
Ah. Sabi ni Guerrero, Regan! Namiminyok eh.
Bill Zamora to read.
Sige. Sayang. Arod.
Neil Zamora.
Kaya din ni Bob yun.
Hindi lang ko pinapasok.
May foul pa.
Kelvin Gonzalez. Blue ball.
Press na press.
Time out. Perfect edge.
Press na tayo.
43. Hindi naman yung yards.
Next game. RR Investing versus
Sino ba yun doon? Sa kalaban?
SP Quantical. Blue ball.
Cheers niya.
Harold Del Rosario. Eight seconds.
Bola, mix. Pasa. Go. Nicely.
Stepping on the line. Blue ball.
Huli. Dire-diretso yan.
Kelvin Gonzalez.
Alam ko pasok si Bob.
Taas na mix. Offensive foul.
Mix. Second.
Ball number 4, Miguel Fernando. Second personal foul, second team foul.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot, 14 to shoot.
Taas na.
Ball number 4, Ryan Mildezo. Second personal foul, third team foul. Two shots. Number 14, Kelvin Gonzalez.
Mami, no? No clutch. Apat na foul, tama sa apat na point.
Minamadali ng perfect edge.
Mami!
Mix,
number 6, Paul Anthony Ponce.
Second.
Second personal foul, third team foul.
Dalawa, pass penalty na. Dalawang foul, penalty na.
Neil Ponce, 3.
Sige lang, sige lang.
14 to shoot. Paul Anthony Ponce. Fourteen seconds. 10 seconds. 6 seconds. Alan Ponce. Foul number 13, Alan Ponce.
Second.
Second personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 shots. Number 6, Paul Anthony Ponce.
Wala. Time out daw, wala namang tumatawag.
6 sabi. 6 sabi. Wala. Hindi mo tumatawag.
Seconds.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
3:57 sila.
Ano pre?
57 sila, Kuya Peter.
Official score 16-57. Ball number 24, Carlito Aldurin.
Ilan niya pre?
Third.
Third personal foul, penalty. Penalty. Kayo. Penalty kayo. Sama. 2 shots, number 6, Paul Anthony Ponce. Official score 60-58. Ten seconds.
Lagi, ako makasa.
Time.
Ball number 8, Harold Del Rosario, warning for penalty. Wait. Yep, all good. Ball number 24, Miguel Fernando, penalty.
Both teams penalty.
Ilang foul na si Fernando pre?
Third.
Third personal foul, Miguel Fernando.
Time out? Dalawa pa sa inyo.
Kaya pala niya mag-time out.
Ano, isa pa. Time out!
Timeout. Swish Mortgage. Official score 61-58.
Anim na tres ni ano? Neil?
3-point lead by Perfect Edge.
Shooter talaga yan si Neil. Kita mo sa yung finals na natin sa kabila. Di kilala ni Rob yan.
Hindi pinapasahan siya. Lagi libre sa corner. Talagang walang bantay, pre.
Siguro pinasahan niya parang 2 beses lang, tapos na-shoot. Oo, 2. Tapos sabi namin ni Rob, paksa mo, paksa mo. Ayaw niya talaga. Alam mo sino pinapasahan niya? Si Eman. Si Eman na may bantay. Putaan, andun siya. Ano si Rob? Andun si Zamora. Si Eman nandito. Si Rob, pupunta pa dito yan. Pupunta pa dito, tapos babasa ng terno. Both teams, 1 timeout left.
More than seconds to shoot. Ten seconds. Foul number 10, Neil Zamora. Penalty. Neil Zamora, third personal foul. 2 shots. Number 14, Alvin Gonzalez.
Hindi gumana. Ano, magkatayamat kayo? Wala.
Out of bounds.
Post paper over, no? Huwag ka na hip-hop siguro sa ano. Hindi lang makatapin. Tahan mo ka na shoot.
Foul number 10, Neil Zamora. Neil Zamora, warning for graduate.
Anong gusto mo? Anong gusto mo? Dalawa. Kung na-shoot yung pangalawa.
Pag pangalawa, pag pumasok.
Start lang, pre. Uy, save by the bell.
Pera yan. Hindi papasok. Hindi papasok ang shoot. Hindi papasok yung nito. Hindi kayo makaka-time out.
Abang.
Ano, time out?
Timeout. Perfect Edge.
Advance o ano? Full court.
Sila. Advance, Devil advance. Advance to semis.
Advance to semis.
Official score 61-60. 1-point lead by Perfect Edge. Remaining time 30.3 seconds before the game of the Mark Santos.
Tanongin mo sila pag pumasok yung tira nila, patay mo sila.
Wait.
Para ready tayo.
Back to the moment.
Kuya Pete. Pag na-shoot, time out kayo? Pag lang.
Free throw siguro yan.
Aga pa.
Hindi,
Advance
sabay nyo.
Advance sila.
Sabay nyo.
Advance. So, ano play?
10 seconds. 4 seconds. 2 seconds.
Boss!
Shot clock is off.
Ay! Foul! Dalawa! Nice game! Nice!
You can't run forward, stick your chest out, bump them in the side, and not expect a foul.
Nice ball.
Who's foul, ref? Foul number 13. Third personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots. Number 14. Kelvin Gonzalez.
Siya pa yung magpapanalo, 4 na foul. Yun, 8 points na, 8 points of fourth quarter. Walang kakaba-kaba.
We are all tied at 61. Perfect is don't have any time out, okay? Swish Mortgage, isa pa.
problema pre. Parang midin.
Walang kakaba-kaba.
David, pag na-shoot, time out kayo.
Ate! Push! 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 Push!
End of the ball game. Official score 62-61. 1 point win by Swiss Mortgage. Thank you very much.
Apat yung ano niya.